responsibilities.
Shendo don ko kasebo na be na so na mede nsam kakra nsaka wo oye finfimanto onyi ogwa no nsodo medere brawo na enyabiri nsam na baye oda no akoye ya yede ndase papa omno yede bama oye immense hardware and home finishing na yede ndase ne biso yede bama oye diesel gift shop na National Petroleum Authority NPA one so that then be man I want the more kind of stay back and stay safe son won kwa no hu yin papa ebusuafo edumokuri ba saying na we somasen menwabiri mede don ko kasebo mede brahom na nsam no da obedi no mu akotiri bi 24-hour economy market no nsam a epre wo gwa mensin mu no abanka chepere that together baby asisiare what the asowa bofom ehwa na obesina wonfa nko bebiara anu nsuru mu no da nkofo so a egudufa wo ka won nsam birima woye ebubuafo anada wenti da mu nyipodiem won so wode nsam atogore da bi wata sa onye intensise bi owa abanu mpefo hwe na wonye da mensese no ebusuafo yi na nsem bi oka no modere bosom don ko kasebom aba from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN. Afi yanje be na yanje nsama numu nchechirem baya nde be asare ina akabande amampe nchantra mani mahama feni kwedi otede basane nsade ho a abra orobontia wa afempe mebien onye edonu anan numu Bible kwakwato aban odensem tugwa no cheme de saga na photo abama na odijimedi sunkubi bobada onu obaya 24-hour market a orobabo ma egodi akodo wo oman ganam eyenti mensini biara owo oman ganam bi yedam egodi dadwa otedam no enti ndai base na okabane de ogwa mensina soyi ne de adom na wode soso na asore bobofom ekwan na wa makwan ma contractor edi the mudwuma no wesi oye market fefefe a otedam na nkofo atwa no so ba rewo de bi bebe we kisesin ekwan junction no nokori onse da mboa ma adwumede otedam no onwie peye na nchan ye kura abra anam mpasam anampo da wo kind ogba na tifi eho na sisare mpuntun asebogu na ehwemegwati na se wode no so kaka ho a abaha wadwene papa na nuanom a wode nsam rutugwan yemi okor ono wedi da woni mpodium onye nuanom ne bi da wo kan da nukwani onse da mboa wo ekwan na wodade ne kashem yenhwe da workana bi
India yabadase papa to the stand there wadwene ho there oje 24-hour economy whatever but baby go on in the wo the mazen wo amigwa kwado amayetumi arane dam 3 shifting na so ka ban na yezre kwa ekwan la ohon wa fa ko to ko ba mum na wo ze kwa ekwan nje na no wa frop o se na bia anyi obi fi abra sese ye ka the whole Cape Coast north and south capital papa ya abra nti se kwoti abra na the market na kwa ekwan eno no chere omo yo po na ya makwan na wanye dama 24-hour economy marketing ya makwan na wanye no ekwan so waje kwa ekwan a ya bebe kisho ye na no mesi afra wa abra nyina ma mu ntwetigiti bieu ya be make sure there so wa fa 24-hour economy wa fa ma abra ma bodua ma obi biara yu obi fi municipal obaba ha there ogba ebutwa ticket won kwa nkotwa ticket yete abra o Cape Coast North tax awajiji nyina o fi Cape Coast abra ina okop baba ya ekwan mo waye yeyu abiro ya sanwa awude enyimin yeyu abir mama wonye na wonka de ibi akaka no ho ya de wanse mpefo yim na obete na asupa bi mi nshawon
eti abentie a ano wedi da woni mpediem orka wasaman otini hwi chelim na ode dam nsem edu tugwa na abanka chepena ohwegwa mensedu honorable George Justice Atta oyin nempeyfo waye kasache kakra dafa oye 24-hour market sonkwa obokwadon na ono watunzin town hall meeting no the town hall meeting no kaseshed wo abra Calvary Methodist asodanum eho na wakatene da wo the town hall meeting no wo the kaseshed na wokra ya na 24-hour marketing ni munsam ekupe mu ho na banka chepin honorable George Sisata na asemanye de bebi a waka de wode besinu ehwa na wode besini nti honorable nsama okay ni
market woman kasam chenwan. This is a market for Cape Coast or your market for Cape Coast North and Cape Coast South or your Cape Coast in the market. So wherever the government would decide to build the market, that is where we are building the market. We are not going to move the market anywhere. We are building the market at Ekwan Junction. Period. That is it. So what's the market, you know? Let's say into me fee Abraham Bezugba. I don't get it. I don't really get it. Marketing baby yebe sibiala or your market. And baby yebe site biano. It is 24-hour market for the people of Cape Coast. Period. So that is the decision. Don't worry yourself. That is the decision. So that is the land that so far Yaka settled on. In spite of all the problems for us getting the market. It's the 24-hour economy market nodo. Since you can say Nyankopona Dom Cape Coast, in spite of the struggles, in spite of Hula Balu, whatever controversy surrounding the 24-hour market, we have settled on a land finally provided by government of the Republic of Ghana to build 24-hour economy market at Ekwan Junction. Period.
Sisata that together wa na oboko na wekisi oye igwa otedam yefi dam nsam no ma enda yeda sonkon a dema oye mesafoma wo oye wiase in the technology orokodo inti Coastal Television eto anomar akọ eifua St Mary's Basic School na onye school no maframa woye mesafoma atwetwe nkomo ebisa won de se mpo abane de za meyi ye hu so utumi ye na wo computer no nsamsano bia okesede ye na kira ba efiba esen ono na okedi da monkobon yankwohwe nkomo twetwe bi
23rd of April bia ewo afibia mu no eye International Girls in ICT Day. Chesasada no ye de esi ho a ye hwe se ekwan e befa so a ye mama ema omuko school eye from the basic kopim tertiary no omani beje ICT ho na omode omho agim na se empo ye ka tech aspect and also say ICT related fields bia no a se ye kan emma wo mu a ye benya emma dodo na a omode omho agimu na ene ye wo eyifo St Mary's Basic School aha ane ye wo aha bibiati eye ICT department ye ne students ni bi ye bepese ye no omo ebedi nkomo nkanka emma a ewo mu amusua ade school mu ase no ye bepese ye no omo bedi nkomo na ye hu omo so omo adwen se ne efasi dwen fa ICT hu se ba no ICT ye sua tech niema related to tech a omo nso omo dwen ho se na die mpo na se omo nyi a omo be pese omo de ICT no ebeye na niema ebetimi aye as a teacher for as stakeholders me nso ebetimi aye e de aboa ma ICT adesua akoso midin no eye afiba esien and minutes 2 students na e wo ha say ma me sha say mfi minsa benkum eso mpacho frozen
Juliet Akwayamwa.
Georgette
Akwayamwa.
Form my
Form 3.
Form 3. Okay, once you ever say
Judith Enya Adonu.
Judith
Enya Adonu.
also your form say
1.
Form 1.
Yes.
Okay, then my start saying in free Form 3 students no so Georgette what shall I say we soon there was A4 St. Mary's Basic School say no me fan say what shall I say of Form 1 cry now what the 3 years you can say ICT say yes we are there afa ICT ehun ewo school mu ha say no fi say wo buy no experience no et saying
Like, I would like to say this in English. From when I came to this school, ICT, it's a very interesting topic. You know, the way you will be able to use the mouse, the keyboard, the monitors, learning about parts, using productivity software to create documents, presentations, is really interesting. And now even AI is in the system. Now we mostly use AI for our works, for presentation. So yes, ICT is very cool in the school.
Okay, so the can AI ho asem nintim pese me bisa we ho no ho asem kakra. Like you are saying, mo the AI mo works any ade nyina. How do you moderate the AI in such a way say it doesn't take over your creativity? Now ade a wankasa wo de wadwen ebeye no AI no emmebro so. Na emum wo be hwe ne say wo the AI ye adwuma de na emum no wo de wadwen so e ka ho.
Now students are over depending on AI. But it's not everything that you need to use AI. Sometimes it's our own critical thinking that we need for AI. So sometimes easy things that we can use our own mind to do, we should set the AI aside, use our mind to do it. And now people are using AI for drawings but we have our own hands there to take the pencil, start drawing. Even if you are not good, the AI can guide you on how to draw. That's how AI is.
Since I was ICT, I say what has been the most exciting part of the ICT subject I was seeing so far?
The use of the computer gadgets. Yes, using the keyboard to type, especially some apps on the monitor like Mavis Beacon. It really enhances students' typing skills. The use of, there are so many, and then even the use of Scratch in programming. Yes, it's for beginners. So if you want to learn how to program, Scratch is used to program a block of codes. Yes, students just arrange them to be able to create stories, animations, and so many more.
Have you had an interest in ICT all along? And also say BB recently na ebebo.
Oh, since before I even came to this school, I really loved ICT. Sometimes in my former school, after closing, I would go to the ICT lab, ask for permission, and be using the computers to learn, to enhance my typing skills, and sometimes to even program.
Obe pesa wo de ICT no be ye adwuma in the near future.
So I really like to use ICT in the near future to be able to boost career skills. Like for me to use the computer ICT to be able to hack. Yes, we have hacking, the good side and the bad side. You know, we can use hacking to help people who have recently lost their data. So if they want to retrieve, we can use the hacking to help them get back.
All right, Judith, yeah, that's it. My name Judith and so and Kasa Judith Form 1. Wo experience ICT adisuamu A4 St. Mary's Basic as you know. So far no as saying.
It's good because to me ICT has helped me a lot. Like It taught me how to type, how to also earn my own general thinkings, and also helped me in a lot. So to me, ICT had always helped me do my homeworks. For example, AI helped me do some homeworks that I couldn't do myself, and also helped me in presentation, as she said. And sometimes I also use my own thinkings to do some works.
What are some of the ICT tools are we familiar with?
The keyboard, the mouse, the monitor, smartphones, and etc.
Or any idea about AI learning?
Yeah, like AI, it's artificial intelligence that helps people to know how to do some works that you think you can't do, and also helps you.
Okay. Sometimes classmates ni bi mu bi wɔ ha ɔmo hu ni sɛ ICT no ɛyɛ subject a ɛyɛ din to say math and others no also no ɔmo yɛ adwene ana ɔmo hu ni sɛ ICT a very interesting subject.
Okay, to me at first, I thought ICT was that hard, but when I came to JHS, that I started picking some of the simple tactics to learn how to learn it, and it became so simple to me that, like in computing, I could now do well, and it's not that hard. So now I think I'm doing well in computing.
Nti sɛ obi wɔ hɔ na sɛ ohun ni sɛ ICT ni yɛ din a ɛdeɛ na wobɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔnyɛ more often sɛ ne bɛyɛ ICT subject no ɛnyɛ din ɛma no.
The person shouldn't put that idea in their head like it is too hard, or that if you put it in your head, it will always make you think you can't do it. So you should always put it in your head that you can do it, and also learn more.
Do you see yourself in the future sɛ woyɛ ICT related work biara? Yes.
Like, to me in the future, I would like to be a lawyer, and I also like to use like AI, for example, to fight cases that are really hard.
Yeah, the master pa we Judith and Georgette and now omacho omadwen afa ICT adisua no ho and na Judith mpo e ka share ne classmates and answer na fofo say obi pese wonsua ICT mane fanhye ne chim say eye din na emom no say ode na adwen ekoso say obesua ebe easy kra e de amano ye be pese ye ne other students nso ebedi enkomo my dear udi ne ye den
Sonia
Nkrumah and I was
Hanifa Odai.
Hanifa.
Yes, please.
Okay. But you are from say?
Form 2.
And I also
Form 2.
Form 2. Okay. My mention same few. Sonia. Okay. Nkrofo bebre e ka say ICT subject na subject a e din na omo find it difficult. Ono omo ya adwen and also say oh different opinion.
Yes, I have a different opinion, because if you learn hard and you understand a lot of things in computing, it makes it very easy. If maybe you have a laptop or computer at home, it will help you to practice and to make the computing thing very simple.
Nti me dream say bia wo fie no na wo laptop and phones are there nti na eboa wo ama wutimi sua ICT no so easily. What about nkrofo e bia omo school pair no mutimi sua ICT omo KOFI omo ntimi practice e de no mbetimi aye se na be ya ICT no enye den ma o.
There are a lot of centers in Central Region which you can go there, and there's free internet and there's also free laptop, but you pay for it. So they can maybe save their money and go there, and there are people over there who will show you how to do it, and they can show them how to use the computer, some things in computing that maybe they may not get the opportunity at home.
Do you believe, sir, we have to encourage more girls to be interested in ICT?
Yes, because nowadays, or let's say in the olden days, a lot of people encourage only girls. But in this modern Ghana,
Boys, you mean?
yes, only boys. In this modern Ghana, a lot of people are encouraging a lot of girls. And if girls are able to learn computing very well, they will become great people and so many more. Yes.
Okay, do you see yourself personally, say bia in the future, all the ICT skills now we say and say bia near in the tertiary level? No, do you see yourself as a professional?
Yes, because I want to be a doctor, and being a doctor, they'll teach you a lot of things in the medical school. But sometimes you may forget some terms, and you can go online and ask the AI to give you maybe some prescriptions and so many things, and it may help you as a doctor.
First, I was ICT and also say tech related things. School what has been the most exciting part of ICT?
The practical aspect. Using the computers in the computer lab, them showing us how to use it, some apps on the computer that they make us use it our own self. It makes it very fun because we don't just read it in class, we practice it.
Do you believe in AI?
Yes.
In what way?
AI is artificial intelligence. Yeah, it is a robot which helps us gain a lot of knowledge on some things we don't know. And without AI, life will be very hard because maybe if they teach you some subjects in computing and you don't understand, when you go home, you can search on your laptop, or you can even practice it on your laptop, or you can even search on your phone how to do it, and so many things with AI. And AI has helped us a lot.
Yo, thank you very much. Anifa, right? Sami Boniye, Anifa. Okay. Also social access ICT no. ICT no part ben pana when you aje ho. Sa ope.
Oh, I've loved the computing aspect so much because at first when I was in the primary, I didn't know how to use the mouse to do a lot of things, to type and then the rest. But when I moved to the JHS, I've learned more about it, and now I know how to use the mouse, the keyboard, and a lot of things.
Okay, nti say bia wadanfo bi only ne wadanfo bi wo class na say bia ono ne ICT subjects on shada nya ade wo mu a, how will you be able to help the person to no so enya a more knowledge about ICT nim?
Oh, I'll tell the person to work hard on the learning and then to do more practice, and maybe when the person is having a sister or some sibling in the house, she or she should go to the person to teach him or her so that the person can be more active in the subjects.
Okay. In the future, say Misha Anifa, will I see you in an ICT field?
Yes, because as my sister said, in the future she wants to be a doctor, but me in the future I want to be a fashion designer, and then I will be using the computer to draw things and then doing a lot of stuff. But because I've learned the computing subject, I will know a lot of things to do about it.
Thank you very much. Anifa and Sonia. All right, thank you very, very much. All right, my dear everyone.
Susanna.
Hey, Susanna then?
Abraham.
Oh, okay, yeah, Susanna Asian. Okay, who from say?
Form 1.
Form 1. What share addition say from basic 6 or A4? Okay, what join it Tambe?
Primary 1.
Primary 1. Okay, just say class 6, class 1 ton. Okay, and then me dream say Osha say ICT wa say no achepa.
Yes, please.
Inti Oberate said the way our teachers for no extra there, the way our model textbooks ne practical aspects ni nyina no. Oberate experience no say at the same.
Well, the experience is very good. Well, with the practicals, the way they teach and everything help us to understand how the ICT is. And the teachers are comforting. They are patient with us because, well, the ICT is not like close to us that much like social studies and the rest. So they take their time and teach us well for us to understand.
Okay. So Moshe Asasa Musu idea from what time say from class 1 up to form 1 as say no no. Obeka say new tools ben na oma introduce you in the ICT field.
Okay, I will say that they have introduced AI to us. The AI, it helps us to learn, do research, and also learn how to do typing on it. And when you come to the ICT lab, the teachers get their time to teach us how to type and how to go into the computer.
So far then what me skills ben what me obet me do say so work as a way no met me aye e wo ICT field.
Okay, I can type and do animation. Yes, do design and also maybe draw something on the computer.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Next time remember what draw be na mashe. Okay, do you believe say ye here e ma bebre e wo ICT field name?
Yes, please. Okay, well, they used to say that boys are the ones that they have to go to school instead of the girls staying home and do house chores. I don't see that to be good. So now the girls, they are coming out, being engineers, going out to learn computing, learning how to fix computers and the rest. I see that as girls are improving in the computing sector. Yeah.
Do you think that in the future, no, yebinya ema bebre, and how do we encourage them to also take up the ICT subjects?
Okay, yes, we get more there, and I encourage them to just focus on it. And now the computing is on than the other jobs that you have been doing. Now most people don't use their hands to create things, rather go on the internet, learn how to do it. So I encourage them to just focus on it. They'll get something out of it.
Thank you so much. My name is Susanna. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah. Yenya checheni bako ha ye pese yene no etwetwe nkomo kakra ansana yene no beko studio po ne yene no akodi nkomo no. Madam mbacho wudi
from Babaini, but my from Miss Baini.
Miss Baini pacho we shall say which are there were A4 St Mary's Basic hase no enfie saying
A for 4 years now, but Macha is for close to 9 years.
Just say what shall they for in all your experience no ICT as a subject ayechre basic schools yeah I mean kind of basic school level no saying.
Oh, it's very interesting and very important at the basic level no. So if we get students to learn from that level, it helps them a lot. And it's very important. It's just like the basic needs are in computing is very important for the basic level students. Yeah.
Yes, celebrating International Girls in ICT Day. Do you think important and whom here say you be celebrating BBS?
Oh, very important, very, very important. And maybe I had 4 years. Every year we celebrate that. We do that. We call all the girls together. We do activities in computing. And it's very good. It's very important. Yeah.
Yeah, we say no bedi nkomo bebre na wa cheche ni mumu se ne ekoso ne ekọ details na nkasa no we de amaye nti no emepam no ye beto nsa afro ye da se.
Eti yen ye besia aye efiba esien ono na okidi nkomo wo St Mary's A4 Anglican Basic School ho wo ende djumadi sonkwa otedaman ebusa ye begina do na ye de donko kaseboni na no ye de aba ewie emomo ye fi the Ghana Football Association wa pa coach foforo kra na ho tam da ma oye Black Stars be ono na obohwe mandama akodo the Black Star fo odumuna ko World Cup 2026 wo US and Canada bebia oye aman bo no bokodo no wapa no wotam oye GFF won asoi ntisha nenso de dem dwo do tedam so akodo ebushama fast dam fama edwumokwe baasa meche MP National Petroleum Authority osi use gas na wia ma won kwaso ohia unti stay back and stay safe yan fast na bi so yan fa medi say oso tade na charge da sene bi so yedere ma oye emimens oye hardware and home finishing no so osi say ebisi da na bo modern kwasai wo na fa hardware no fa mo na ndaman koyi papa edwumokwe wona dawo ma na wusoma senu nyabere medo don kro kasebo medebra hum asana bi so nkoma oye breje ono na wabo one man top ahwe bibiara adede na kwemfefefe da ma aba from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN oyenda no e wono china.